Hello everyone, I'm here to discuss you how to solve the hyperbolic. And ito yung mga identities ng mga hyperbolic. First one is yung sin u is equal to cos u times the derivative of u with respect to x. And second one naman is cos u is equal to sin u times the derivative of u with respect to x. And third one is tan u is equal to sec squared u times the derivative of u with respect to x. And second, ito naman sa cosecant u is equal to negative cosecant u times the cotangent u times the derivative of u with respect to x. And ito naman is second hyperbolic u is equal to negative sec u times tan u times the derivative of u with respect to x. And then the cotangent u is equal to negative cosecant u squared u times the derivative of u with respect to x. F of x is equal to cos u cos 4x. So, paano ito siya matiderive? Since ito, yung cos u is yung nadiderive siya as sinh. So, f of prime of x is equal to sinh u yung u natin is 4x, yung sinh 4x, and then times a derivative ng u, which is ito, derivative ng 4 times derivative ng 4 is 4, since 1 na to siyang x, so 4 times 1 is 4. So yung final answer natin, f prime of x is equal to 4 sinh 4x.